And as well as I would like to call the football manager, and he is none other than Raj Guru. And as well as I would like to call head coach of FFC, and he is none other than Amit Coach. And I would like to call assistant manager also, and he is none other than Padam brother. To hand over this token of love, to hand over the trophy to our best player. And the trophy goes to Ayush Rai. And I would like to request Anton Days to hand over the trophy. From principal side, the best player used to get some amount of money, and you can see a token of love from his side. So in yesterday's match, we have Yusuf Magar and Ridham Pandey. And I would like to request Principal Sir to hand over the token of love to them. Sir, Saurabh Sir and Anita Miss to hand over the medals to our player. And the player list: Nemsang Magar, captain of our football team, Asim Rai, Sparsh Rai, Namsang Limbu, Eunice Guru, Bisan Rai, Ridham Pandey, Yusuf Magar, Dishan Braili, Ashish Rai, Bhagya Rai, Gunuhan Rai, Prayo Sestra, Siman Selpa, Bobin Rai, Timothy Limbu, Rosan Rai, Sagan Rai, and Bhagya Rai. FFC and from a school as well. And he is none other than Amrit Coach. And for the best manager, we have Rajguru. Thank you, sir. Coach as well as the players. All the teachers, coach as well as the players.
Good morning, school. Once again, good morning, school. Okay, how are you feeling today? Don't worry, we have sweet for you all after this assembly, and it is very happy moment for all of us. We have done the very, we can say, marvelous thing as we become the winner of the ENFA Under 14 district level inter-school tournament. And in that tournament, there were altogether 36 schools of whole the Sunsari district. And yesterday, we played final game, and it was against the Lord Buddha School of Rampur, and our players has done fantastic job that we won by the margin of 3-1. And as we know that today we are celebrating our win with all of you. And most importantly, I want to thank our coach, Amrit sir, Umesh sir, manager, Rai sir, even our brother also had done great job. And the effort of the players we cannot express in the word how nicely they have executed the goals yesterday, which was very fantastic to watch. And definitely, as always we say, we tell you about the future of the football of our players. We thank FFC Club also, and we are making the legend, okay? We are making the legend of the future of Nepal. They will not only represent our school in upcoming days also, they will not represent only Dharan, they will represent our country as well. So I hope you all, the friends, juniors and seniors, you will get motivated by this and you will come forward to play the games. As we know that games are also a part of education. Without the games and sport, the education is nothing. So that's why we, the Prabhat School, not only focus in the education, we focus as well in the games, science and technology, and everything as much as possible. So we want our student to be the toughest and toppest. Always we want to see our student to reach in the peak. So that's why we are very happy today. Again, as our media sir is also in front of us, we thank on the behalf of, I thank on the behalf of the school that he came to our school to cover our happy moment, joy, isn't it? Today, what we are celebrating, yes, all the moments is covering, and all our teachers, okay, all I want to thank, isn't it? So it is very important. Without your cooperation, without our cooperation, so the part, everything is not possible. So last but not the least, I want to thank once again to all the playing staffs, coach, manager, and all the teachers for today's moment. And after this, we'll have some photo session. Okay, if the student want to take photo with our prize, with the players, okay, then you can come and we'll give you time. Okay, by saying this much, I want to conclude my few words. Thank you very much. With players, you want to take photo with this? Hello, sir.
서브로 토스 타임 뭐야?